Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off, double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First, look at my phone. I lock my phone, and in the locked interface itself, I just double tap on the screen, and phone screen is now turned off. Okay, also in the standby interface, this is standby interface, I would like to double tap on it, and phone screen is off. Okay, so if you would like to deactivate this option, that is double tap to turn off the screen option, as you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and go to smart motion, then go to smart screen on off, and here just to turn off this button, double tap to turn off, so that now if you double tap on blank area in the home screen or on locked screen, it will not turn off. Okay, in the locked screen I am checking because the settings is not enabled. Just now we have disabled this feature. Okay, so in this way you can easily deactivate or turn off, double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Vivo V29 5G smartphone. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.